Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good one today. I'm the Metal Junkie, and today I'm going to be reacting to the band The Faceless. We got the song An Autopsy. Now, funny enough, I only know one album from this band and really nothing else, and it's their 2012 album, Autotheism, which I think is a masterpiece. I really dug that album when it came out. It was on the top of my ear list that year, so really loved that, but I never really listened to anything else by the band. So I'm going to check out this song right here, see what it's all about. Without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Okay, a minute in, it's super technical. It's definitely a mind melter. Like, I love the layering too. It's so thick at one point where we almost have like the whole band playing very intense, and then there's like this kind of orchestra in the background too. Oh, just makes it feel so intense. The playing is out of this world. I think this is their debut album too, and they were already going nuts right off out the gate. Really groovy, heavy riffs that I'm digging. Let's keep her going. I like that they brought that back. Don't. There's just so much going on in this song. I can't keep up. Definitely on a first listen, like most of this is gonna go right over my head. But I am enjoying it. It's very precise in their playing and very, like I said, technical and everything. It's changing up the riffs and the grooves every 15 seconds, so it's really hard to follow, but I am enjoying it, and these guys can definitely play, which I already knew from the other album I heard, but still, yeah, it's just a lot to take in. I just want to add Sumerian Records, the other albums that they're showing here. Born of Osiris to the New Rang, amazing freaking record. I remember when that came out as well. I was really into that. Rare Form is an amazing album from After the Burial. I like the first three albums from them. And Veil of Maya, A Common Man's Collapse, is pretty damn good too. Never heard Planetary Duality by The Faceless though, but I enjoy all the other albums, funny enough, that came out around this time, so very cool. Let's keep her going. Where are we going? man. Super impressive, man. That was an autopsy by the Faceless, and I really dug that last minute. How we went into it was seemed more like a deathcore mode with like this dum 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 dum, this like really heavy breakdown, and then you throw on a friggin' unstoppable solo on top of that that played out right to the end. I love that. That was definitely my favorite section of the track. It was just a little bit more cohesive. It wasn't jumping and going into different transitions every 15 seconds, which I don't mind. It's just that it's just too hard to pick up on your first listen, right? Definitely going to have to revisit this track a few times, but really dug that ending, and the band played their asses off from start to finish, so I did enjoy this track. Just one I'll have to revisit quite a few times before I actually get the whole thing. And it's not even a long song, just 3 minutes and some, but it was just a lot of different change ups in there. They brought back a few of the grooves a few times, which I appreciated. I was like, oh, I remember that one. But yeah, pretty good track overall. So give me some more Faceless recommendations if you have any. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.